Today, we're excited to guide you through installing an irrigation system designed for DIY enthusiasts of all levels. So grab your gloves and let's get started. First, let's talk about some common mistakes people make with irrigation system installation. Learning from these can save you a lot of hassle. First up, inadequate planning. It's crucial to design your system to cover all areas without wasting water. Then there's water pressure. Too little and your plants won't get enough water. Too much and you might just damage your system. Another pitfall is incorrect spacing of sprinklers or emitters, leading to uneven watering. And don't forget the backflow preventer. Skipping this can contaminate your water supply. We want to avoid these issues so we can do it right. Now that we know what not to do, we're set to start our project on the right foot. Let's move on to the planning phase. You'll want to design your layout based on your garden-specific needs. Consider the types of plants you have, their water requirements, and the best times to water them. Once you've got your plan, it's time to move on to step 2. Carefully dig trenches for your pipes or hoses, making sure they're deep enough to prevent damage from foot traffic or gardening tools. After laying your pipes, connect them using the fittings and ensure there are no leaks. Attach the timer or controller and the irrigation valve, then connect your system to the water source. Installing the backflow preventer and pressure regulator are crucial for maintaining the right water pressure and preventing contaminated water from flowing back into your clean water supply. Once everything is connected, fill in the trenches and set up your sprinkler heads or drippers. Make sure they're positioned to evenly distribute water across your garden. Finally, test your system. Turn it on and watch for any issues. Adjust the timer and sprinkler positions as needed to ensure your garden gets the right amount of water. And there you have it, a fully installed irrigation system ready to keep your garden thriving. Still, it is recommended to consult with, and where necessary, hire experienced professionals to help you install your irrigation system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for more expert tips and hacks. See you in the next video.